Hello, friends. Today we are making a paper crane. The process consists of 3 parts. Part 1. Preparing the base. First, start with a square piece of paper. Fold the paper in half diagonally, bringing one corner to the opposite one. Open it up and repeat the same fold in the other direction. Next, flip the paper over to the other side. Then fold the paper in half, bringing the top edge to the bottom edge. Open it up, and then repeat the same fold from left to right. Now, flip the paper over again. Using the creases you've made, bring the left and right sides of the paper inward toward the center, while pushing down on the top point. This will collapse the paper into a diamond shape. You have now created what's known as the square base. Part 2. Forming the diamond. With the square base in front of you, fold the top 2 layers of the left and right edges inward to meet at the center crease. Fold the top point of the diamond down, making a crease at the same level as the top of the folded flaps. Unfold the last 2 folds you just made. Now, carefully lift the top layer of the paper using the creases as your guide. The paper will open up and flatten into a long diamond shape. Flip the paper over and repeat the last 3 steps on the other side. This will create a symmetrical, long diamond shape. Part 3. Creating the head, wings, and tail. Now you have the 2 legs of the diamond. Fold the top layer of both the left and right sides inward toward the center line. This will create the thinner neck and tail of the crane. Fold one of the 2 ends down to form the head. Finally, pull down the 2 side flaps to form the wings. And you're done! You now have a completed origami paper crane. For more fun DIY ideas and fascinating science facts, subscribe to OYLA Magazine. Check the description box below.